Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel Excel and VBA Learning. In this video we will see the shortcut keys of Excel file. See, I have a table ready with me with few of the shortcut keys that we use on the daily basis while working on Excel file. So as you can see, the first action on an Excel, I've just given the heading as an action on Excel and the key one and some alternate option, whatever was ready with me and whatever I know. So I have just mentioned in column D as alternate option. So the first one is select the entire worksheet. If you want to select the entire worksheet, so just click anywhere and just press Control A. So as you can see, the entire worksheet has been selected. So Control A is a shortcut key to select the entire sheet. And if you need some alternative to it, just click anywhere, press Control, Shift and Spacebar. As you can see, what I've done is I've just pressed Control, Shift and Spacebar. So the entire sheet got selected. Right? The second one is very simple. Everyone uses this, is your cut. So if I want to cut some spell or if I cell, sorry, and if I want to paste it in some other column, so what I do is I just click on the cell that I need to cut. I just click Control X and go anywhere and do Control V, the paste option. So what happened is whatever text or number that was stored in this particular cell has got cut and it got pasted in some other column. Alright, so side by side what I can do is press Control Z, and if you can see, it is back on its own position. So Control Z is used to undo the action whatever you have done. Right, so Control Z for undo. Right, the other one is, next one is copy pasting. Copy paste. Now this is a very basic that has been used in our Excel. So Control C and Control V, everyone knows that Control C and Control V is a shortcut key for copy and pasting. Right, so this is how it works. Now next, let's go to move to the next sheet in a workbook. Now what if I want to go into a next sheet, sheet 1, sheet 2, sheet 3, sheet 4, whatever sheet I have. So what is the shortcut key for that? So what you can do is just press Control and page down. So now I am doing as Control page down. So what had happened is I am going into the next sheet. And similarly, if I want to come back to the next, if I want to come back to my original sheet that you can see here is shortcut keys, what I can do is Control page up. You can see Control page up. So I am back onto my original sheet on which I was working. So this is a very good option, rather using your mouse and clicking on sheet 2, sheet 3, sheet 4. What you can do is just use Control page up and Control page down to play with the sheets you want to work. Alright, now let's see how to insert a column. As I said you in my first video, we'll go ahead and see how to insert some columns and rows in an Excel file or in a spreadsheet that we are working in. So Control and plus sign. So now what I can do is I can just do a couple of things. Right, first I can just select the entire column by Control and spacebar, and then just I will press Control and plus sign. You can see that it's getting added. And similarly, if I want to delete some column, it's Control minus, Control minus. Or what I can do is just, as a shortcut key is given out here, Control and plus sign. If I just press Control and plus sign, I get an option whether I need to shift a cell down or right, the entire row should be, or the entire column. I get an option to insert whatever things I feel like. So what I'll do is if I click on entire column and click OK, so you can see that the entire column gets shifted. The new column gets added here and the column gets shifted. So Control minus, again I'm back on my original place. Right, similarly Control plus, again to add a row, the entire row, click OK, the entire row gets added. Okay, control minus, selected, control minus, the entire row gets deleted. This is very simple, everyone knows it, how to save a worksheet. There are a couple of options there. From you do control S, it gets saved, or if you press F12 and you can go ahead and save the Excel file in path, whichever path you would like to. The next option is open a new workbook. So everyone knows control N, your new worksheet is open. Okay, and if you do control N, your new worksheet is open. Here we go. So this is a new worksheet that is open, and click on the office button and click new. The alternate option is you can go ahead, you just go on to the office button here, click on new, you have a blank worksheet, create, and your new Excel file will be open. Okay, so the next option is hide a row. Now to hide a row, what I have to do, now everyone know what is a row and a column. I have already covered this in my previous video, what is a row and what is a column. So this highlighted cell is this highlighted portion is your row, and this is your column. So to hide this row, what I have to do is just press Control 9 and my row is hidden. So if you can see 12, 11, 12, 14, the 13th row is hidden. So to unhide it, just right click, you have an option unhide. You can do it that way, or what you can do is you can just press the shortcut key Alt H O U O. So this will unhide your row. Similarly, you have an option of hiding a column. If whatever column I need to hide, what I have to do is just select a column that I need to hide and just press Control 0. Your column will be hidden. So you can see this now. E F H, column G is hidden. So to unhide it, just right click, unhide, or use this shortcut key which is here. Okay, and the next one is to go to last working cell. Now my last working cell is this is my last working cell. The highlighted one is my last working cell. So if I want to go, if I'm somewhere here, I want to go to my last working cell, so I'll just press Control down arrow key, so it will give me the last working cell. Or else if I want to go to the very last working cell of an Excel file, I do Control arrow down, so it will take me to the last working cell of an Excel. So look at this, after this nothing is there, your Excel is over, your Excel cell is over. So this is the last working cell. If I want to go up, again just Control up arrow key, and I'm back to my original page. So now my selected cell is T2. Okay, similarly if I want to go to right, just Control right arrow key, and if I want to go to left, Control left arrow key, I'll go there. Alright, so this is how your arrow key function to go to the left, right, page down, page up, wherever you want to go into a cell or in an Excel file. Okay, the next one is to open a format cell dialog box. Now everyone knows what is a format cell dialog box. So if I want to format this cell, okay, I just want to format a cell, this particular cell. So what I'll do is I'll just press Control 1, okay, and this format cell dialog box will get open. Okay, so just press Control +1 and your format cell dialog box will get open, and wherever you want, whichever format you want to give it to a particular cell, row, column, you can go ahead and give that. So please remember, formatting a cell, just press Control 1 from your keypad and not from your number pad. So everyone knows you have on the right hand side you have your number pad. If you press Control +1 from number pad, nothing's gonna happen. Nothing is gonna happen. Look at this. I'm just doing it. Nothing is happening. But if I press Control +1 from my keypad, so it's given me. Look at this. Okay. So this is how it works. The next one is open the paste special dialog box. Now I have copied this, and to open a paste special dialog box, what I have to do is Control Alt and V. So this is my paste special dialog box. Okay. The other option is again right click, press S, and you get this dialog box. So rather doing it, just to Control Alt V and your paste special dialog box is open. The next option is edit the active cell. Now I need to edit this active cell. So this is my active cell. If you want to know which is your active cell, just go to this, you will come to know. So H11 is my active cell, or else wherever is your this window, if you can see this dark highlighted cell is your active cell. Okay, so I need to edit that. Just press F2 and I can go ahead and write whatever I want or edit whatever I would like to. Alright, so edit the active cell, press F2 or double click it, so your cell will be edited. So you see I was just doing double click, so it is edited. Now I just want to cancel the entry in the cell or formula bar. Now this is my active cell. I'm editing it. Now I don't want to edit it, I just want to go away from it. So what I can do is I can just press escape and I'm out of it. Just press escape and I'm out of it. Okay, so this is how shortcut keys can work. You know, you can work on your shortcut keys and enhance your skills related to shortcut keys. Hope you like my video. Please comment below and do not forget to subscribe my channel. Have a great day.